Hey guys, so for today's video, I have another what I eat in a day. I absolutely love sharing with you guys what I eat during the days because I am on a weight loss journey, so it's super fun for me to kind of share and also show you guys some yummy recipes that can still help you lose weight. So today's what I eat in a day is actually partnered with Lifesum. A lot of you ask me what app you can use to track your weight loss journey or your fitness journey, whether you're gaining or losing weight. This is the perfect app to track your macros, to track your calories. I'll actually show you guys later on in the video how I track one of my meals just so you guys can kind of get an example, but it's super easy. Now what's awesome about this app is they're not just a calorie tracking app. They have amazing recipes on this app. So a lot of you actually tell me how much you rely on or love meal plans because a lot of you like something to be able to follow. So what I love about this is they have keto plans, they have vegan plans, they have just so many different plans that you guys can follow. Pretty much you need this app for your fitness journey. You guys are going to love it. So this app is absolutely free to download and use the free version, but they do offer a premium version. I use the premium version because I love the extra features that you get. So you guys can actually get 30% off your premium subscription if you go ahead and use my link. I'll leave the link in the down bar for you guys to download. Again, you can get 30% off, which is amazing. A lot of you have already been telling me that you've been loving this app because I mentioned them in my last What I Eat in a Day last month. So a lot of you are already loving it, which I'm really happy about. So go ahead and click that link to download it and to get 30% off your premium subscription. So other than that, you guys, let's go ahead and start cooking, head into the kitchen, and I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I eat today.
So for breakfast, I have been obsessed with bagels lately. These are so good and I love how they're a healthier version because they're not as high calorie as other bagels. So these are by the Blue Menu brand. I get them from Loblaws and they're everything bagels. I love everything bagels. So I'm just gonna pop those in the toaster. I like mine super toasty, so I put it for about 3 minutes. And I love cream cheese and I literally cannot decide which one I love better, the plain one or the herb and garlic. So I just do both. And I like my bagels open-faced. I just really love them like that. So on the side here, I'm just showing you guys how I count my meals using the Lifesum app. It's super easy and they literally have every food item. They make it so simple and it's laid out really nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much my breakfast. So good. I finished the entire bag in the last week and a half because I've been only having bagels for breakfast. So for lunch, I am making a buffalo chicken burger. This is so yummy. I'm just defrosting this breaded chicken. This is by the brand Pinty's and it's only 120 calories for one piece. How amazing. That's so good. And it's because it's a good little portion size. So I'm just gonna let that cook up on the stove and start preparing my lettuce and my bun. When you're using a burger bun, it's really important to just use the plain small ones. That way you don't rack up too many carbs. So once my chicken burger is done, I'm going to be adding some buffalo sauce. This is so yummy, you guys, and I love this one from Loblaws because it's only 0 calories. So I'm just going to be spreading that around, flipping it over, and putting some more on. If you like your buffalo chicken burgers a bit more dry, then you want to leave the stove on after you put the sauce. If you like it more saucy, just turn off the heat and let the sauce kind of simmer. You know what I mean? It kind of just all depends. I like it in between, so I turn it off afterwards. And yeah, after that, I'm just toasting my bun. Once that's done, I'm going to start spreading my mayonnaise. You can spread anything you personally like, just, kind of watch your portions and everything. So I'm using this light mayo, and this is so simple and easy to make. Literally just putting on the buffalo chicken burger. It tastes so yummy. The buffalo sauce adds so much flavor, and I like mine with just plain old lettuce and some ketchup, or a lot of ketchup. We don't judge. This is so delicious, you guys. I actually think I'm gonna make another one for lunch today. So good. So for dinner, my camera wasn't even recording, but I was showing you guys that I put some garlic and ginger in the pan. So there's that. And then I already had my dinner meal prepped. So this is some stir fry, which I've already shown you guys in a previous What I Eat in a Day, how I make this stir fry. So good. It's loaded with veggies. What I love about this is I can load up my plate with the vegetables first before the noodles. That way I end up eating more veggies and less noodles. So it's all a mind trick, and it just still tastes really good. So I am just making some chicken to go with it. I'm going to show you guys how I make like this very like Chinese food inspired chicken, because I love the chicken that you get at Chinese food places. So I'm kind of like making my own. So I'm just slicing it up. I know some of you cringe when I do this in the pan. If you don't like it, don't do it, but it doesn't bother me, so I do it. And I'm just adding some liquid aminos, which is a great natural alternative to soy sauce. So this is the key to getting the chicken super tasty. This is a General Tao sauce from Loblaws. Tastes so delicious, like so good, and it really gives me that like Chinese food vibe. We all know that Chinese food, like takeout, is super unhealthy. So this is my little at-home, healthier, lower cal version. I like when mine thickens up a bit, so I usually just let it sit there and thicken up a little. And I will just warm up my stir fry in the microwave, and that's it. This dinner is done in under 15 minutes. This entire day, as you guys can see, this video is a little bit shorter, but that's literally because this whole day I was really busy, so I needed quick, fast, easy meals. I'd not spend more than 15 minutes at the stove at all for each of these. So these meals are all super fast and easy for any of you who are really busy. So how yummy does this look? So good. I actually have more stir fry left. Might have that again tonight. And to end off the night, I'm just having 2 little mini Reese's, to kind of kick my little sweet tooth. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you guys in my next video.